Choosing the right sewing machine for your needs is a big decision, and a lot of our customers decide on the Ultrafeed for its power and portability. But they want to know the difference between the red LS and the blue LSZ. Today, we'll cover the similarities and differences between these two industry-leading machines. The biggest difference between the two is that the red LS machine only sews straight stitches, while the blue LSZ sews both straight and zigzag stitches. The zigzag stitch distributes seam stress more evenly and allows for seam stretch. This is especially useful for sail repair and sail making. It can also be used for decorative stitching, sewing on stretchy fabrics, and serging fabric edges. Let's take a closer look at the presser foot width of each machine so that you can know how it affects your sewing experience. The 15mm wide presser foot on the LS is narrower than the LSZ presser foot. This means that it's better at sewing into tight corners during upholstery work and bag making. A narrow foot also allows you to get closer to hard objects such as zippers. You can even get a double cording foot for the LS for sewing decorative piping or edging on upholstery projects. The LSZ has a wider foot width with 19mm. This can make it a bit difficult to sew into corners in other tight spaces, especially for smaller shaped assemblies. Having said that, our blue LSZ is built with the needle positioning lever for this very reason. It allows you to position the needle to the right, left, and center to compensate for its wider foot. This lever enables you to get closer to a zipper or grommet without having to change the foot. The advantage of having the wider foot is that the larger surface area provides a stronger gripping power and better material feeding. Now that we've talked about the internal and external components of each machine, let's get into the most important thing to consider. What do you sew? You will be using straight stitching if you do canvas work, bags, upholstery, awnings, boat covers, dodgers and biminis, clothes and accessories, trampolines, drapery and window treatments, pillows and cushions, leatherwork, or RV and automotive upholstery. You will use the zigzag stitch for sail repair, sail making, bar tacking, decorative stitching, stretchy fabrics, serging, clothes and accessories, or scallops binding on awnings. All in all, both the LS and the LSZ are phenomenal, well-engineered pieces of machinery. They're both impressively powerful, well-equipped portable walking foot sewing machines. You won't go wrong purchasing either one, but if you have a feeling that one day you might get into sail making or sail repair, or you simply like the look of zigzag stitches to add a decorative element to your sewing, we strongly recommend upgrading to the LSZ. That way you have the zigzag stitch should you ever need it. If you want to see more DIYs, tips, or product demos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click that bell so that you can be notified when we post a new video. And lastly, what machine would you choose? Let us know in the comments below.